Nagplano ba ko palit og property pero naglibog mahal kay presyo? You need to stay tuned kay nakoy tulo ka hack akong i-share ninyo. Ang tinuod, dili gyud kinahanglan nga bayaran nimo upfront ang tibok presyo sa property. Nay paagi ana sama sa bank financing. Pwede gyud ka maka-loan og kwarta para makapalit ka og property. Ngayon, mga bangko sama sa BDO, BPI, Metrobank nag-offer og home loans nga magsugod as low as 6% interest rate. Nya maka-invest ka karon ug bayaran nimo over several years while the property appreciates. That's why here are the 3 ways to leverage bank financing. Number 1, low down payments ang bangko. With a home loan, you only need to pay down payment as low as 10% and 90% will be financed by the bank. Second, spread the payments over time. Bank loans let you pay for your property over 10 to 30 years, making it more affordable. And third, your property will appreciate over time. While you're paying for the loan, your property value increases and it will boost your wealth. Diba dali na kayong real estate investing? If you want to learn more about real estate investing, you can check the link in my bio and follow me for more.